Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Visual Studio Code for Python with extensions, beginner guide step by step clearly. Download and install Visual Studio Code from the official website. Once installed, open Visual Studio Code. Navigate to the extensions view by clicking on the square icon on the sidebar or pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus X. In the extensions search bar, type Python and press Enter. Locate the extension titled Python published by Microsoft. Click on the green Install button to add the Python extension to your editor. After the installation is complete, return to the extensions view. Search for Pylons and select the Pylons extension. Click the Install button to add Pylons, which provides enhanced language features. Next, search for CodeRunner in the extensions view. Install the CodeRunner extension for easy code execution. Once all extensions are installed, open a new folder or create a new file. Make sure to save the new file with a .py extension, such as hello.py. To set the Python interpreter, press Ctrl plus Sh. In the command palette, type Python, select interpreter and hit Enter. Choose the interpreter that corresponds to your Python installation. Next, let's run a simple Python program to ensure everything is working. Type a simple print statement, such as print, hello, world. To run your code, either right-click and select Run Code or press Ctrl plus Alt plus N. The output will appear in the output pane at the bottom. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Visual Studio Code for Python development with essential extensions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.